Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine, watching the videos. Today I am going to make egg curry. So first of all I will show you the masalas here. I have taken jeera, black pepper, some sliced onions, ginger, garlic, some elaichi and some long. All this I will grind and make the curry. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I have taken eggs here, boiled eggs. You can see I have slitted them also. You can see it. Now I will put some salt, put some saffron. First of all, I will fry the eggs and then make the curry. Put the mustard oil. Now I'll put in the eggs to fry. Eggs are fried up. Now I'll take them out. I have sliced some onion and kept this. I will put it in the oil. Now put in the masala. Put some turmeric powder, put some chili powder, let the masalas turn brown. Masalas are almost turned brown. Now I will put in the eggs. Put the salt to taste. Put in the coriander leaves. Put in the water. Cover it up and let it cook. Egg curry is ready. Deem jhol is ready. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching my video.